国际新闻过来看，印度人口上济都市面尾，一几天透大风落大雨，伫市区有一块大型的扛棒互风扇倒，毋但造成厝崩起，嘛造成上无14个人死亡，70外人受伤。
印度孟买东部加油站边的大型看板，伫当地时间13下晡雄雄倒去。这块广告看板长度70公尺，宽度50公尺，因为制作袂掉，当地大风暴雨，也佮有沙尘暴的侵袭，一直涌害。地歹下骹几落栋厝，佮有靠歹真侪台汽车车顶，造成几落10人掉伫看板下骹。大田警消甲国家救援队去救援，因出动磕头机、切割机这工具，破坏看板的铁架，要甲掉伫内底民众拢救出来。
Till now we have taken out almost 8 bodies and now we have just located 4 bodies as I told you earlier. 4 bodies are inside, we have located them but we cannot remove them due to this petrol pump and the situation can be hazardous.
孟买雨季大部分伫6月至9月，是印度开发生严重大水加落雨灾情的城市之一。不过5月13日大风加大水雨，造成真一丛路树连根飞起来，陆空交通拢受影响。除了火车系统大乱以外，孟买市的机场航班捌停飞，至少15台航班被迫改道。
It's not a disaster. If this boarding would have been properly installed, if the foundation would have been that strong, so this casualty would have not happened.
这届倒去的广告看板是当地上大的看板。意外发生了后，当地官员去勘查，发现这个看板也未得到市政机构的许可证，是属于非法的建物，并下令要检查当地所有广告看板的结果。公司新闻新乐培编译。